Okay, so good morning and assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you are all fine. So it's week, actually it's week 7, but our lesson is still in week 6.1, and we will need to discuss our replacement class later. Okay, so actually we missed 4 hours of classes already because of public holiday. Okay, so we're going to discuss about that later. Okay, in the meantime, I hope that you guys have filled out the attendance form. Yeah. So for our class, okay, which is you're supposed to fill out week 6.1. Yeah. So far I've seen only 26, and I'm still waiting for Azizul Rafiq, Haikal, Kamarul Aiman, Daniel Aiman, Noah Afika Fatihah, Zarif Adam. Okay, to fill up the attendance form. Yeah. So make sure you fill up the attendance form. Yeah. So that you don't get warning letter. Yeah. Okay. So now, let's just talk about our objectives. Okay. For today's lesson. Yeah. Okay. So actually, there are a number of objectives there. So for week 6, there's supposed to be 4 things that you will learn. But for today, I'm going to cover only 2, which is 1.2.9 and 1.2.10. Okay. So for today, you should be able to demonstrate ability to engage audience during presentations of products and services, and you should also be able to handle questions and answer sessions confidently and professionally. Yeah. Okay. So what you're going to learn today are basically ways to engage with your audience, and also how to handle questions from audience. Okay. Sometimes you might get difficult questions from your audience, right? Okay, and so you will need to learn how to handle the questions so that you will be seen as a professional person, okay, or presenter. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to share with you a screen. Okay, so I'm just going to share with you the entire screen. Okay, so we are done with that already. Okay, so now before we start our lesson, okay, so this is just a warm up. Okay, so there are 2 questions in classroom. So question 1 and question 2. Okay, question 1 and question 2. Can you please answer the 2 questions? Week 6.1, question 1 and question 2. Okay, so question 1. Okay, question 1. I'm sorry, there's a little bit of problem here. Okay, good. Okay, so question 1, suppose you are doing a presentation, you realize that most members, okay, of the audience does not show interest in your presentation. So without referring to Google or any website, okay, state 3 things you would do to engage your audience, or to get your audience to involve or to be interested in your presentation. So what would you do to make your presentation become engaging, okay, so that your audience will feel interested to listen more? Okay, so can you please write 3 things that you would do, okay, during your presentation? What would you do? Okay, so in the meantime, okay, while you are answering the question, yeah, okay, I'm going to check your attendance. So when I call out your names, please type the last 4 digits of your metric number. Okay, type the last 4 digits of your metric number when I mention your name. Okay, so Norazmina Abdul binti Rashid. Norazmina binti Rashid, can you type your last 4 digits of your matric number? Okay, good. So a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so where is it? Okay, Norazmina. So we've got Norazmina. Norzarika. Norzarika. Muhammad Zarif Adam. Faris. Faris. Okay, Faris. Faris. Okay. Nur Ain Atila. Ezra Hakimi. Akmal. Akmal. Okay. Zulaikha. An-Nisa. Okay. Shazwana. Saifuddin. 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 Are you here, Saifuddin Kamil? Okay. Fatin Nabila. Haikal Hakimi. Okay. And Jivan. 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 Okay, Jivan. Afif Akila. Okay. Firhad. Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi. Okay. Is Jivan around? Okay, Daniel Iman. Daniel Iman. Daniel Iman. Not here. Hashini. I think I saw Hashini just now. Okay. Rifki. Okay. Haikal Haizat. Haikal Haizat. Norafika. Norafika. Norafika Fatiha. Norafika Fatiha. Okay. Razik. 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 Inshira. Okay. Izzati. Izzati Rafi. Okay, Razik. Okay, Razik. Izzati Rafi. Okay. Zulaika Zamri. How many Zulaika do we have in this class? Widat Hanani. Widat Hanani. Okay. Muti'ah. Muti'ah. Okay. Amir Aiman. Yes. Azizul Rafiq. Azizul Rafiq. Okay. Rifhan. Okay, good. So, Jivan. Jivan, is he in Jivan? Daniel Iman. 1036. Daniel Iman. Okay, Daniel Iman. Afika Fatiha. Is she in Afika Fatiha? I don't see Afika Fatiha in here. Afika Fatiha. Jivan. Jivan, where are you, Jivan? Can you hear me, Jivan? I saw you just now. Jivan. Jivan Chandran. Jivan Chandran. Okay, can. So, okay. So, Jivan. Jivan. Okay, Jivan. She's in my room. Okay, cannot join. Or Afika cannot join. Okay. So, I think there's a problem. Maybe there might be a problem with her device. Okay, but it's okay. So, if she can't join the meet, okay, I hope that she can hear, okay, she can be with you, be with any of you and join the lesson, okay, and do the activities, yeah, as laid out in Google Classroom, yeah, okay. So thank you, Zulaika, thank you. So Zulaika, I'm sorry, but I think we have a number of Zulaikhas in this class. We have Siti Zulaikha and Nur Zulaikha Zamri. Okay, so so that's why I got confused just now. Okay, we have two Zulaikhas in this class. Okay, so thank you, Zulaikha, for the response. Okay, so you can continue answering the question, the warm-up question, okay, for our lesson for today. Okay, so if there is any problem regarding, when if you cannot see my video, you cannot hear my voice, you cannot see the slide, okay, please mention in chat, okay? So please mention in chat so that I know and I can help you with the problem, yeah? So how would you engage with your audience, okay, during presentation? Okay, so I'm not sure whether you have. Okay, why can't I join the class? Why I can't join the class? Okay, so Afika, I'm not sure why you can't join the class. Okay, make sure you are signed into the Google account that you use to join Google Classroom. Yeah. Okay. So you make sure you log in correctly and make sure you don't log into too many accounts. Yeah. In one browser. So just log into one account only so that your system do not get confused. Yeah. Or else because I'm not sure why you can't join the class. In the previous week, can you join the class? I'm sure you didn't have trouble with joining last week, yeah? So for this week, I'm not sure what's the problem. It could be your internet connection. Okay, maybe it's too weak. That could be one problem. So if you cannot join your class, it's okay. You can just sit together with your friends and listen to my how to say, join the lesson, okay, with your friend, okay? So you can share laptop or you can share devices, okay, for that purpose. Okay, so far 11 has turned in. Okay, don't take too long to answer. Okay, this is just a warm up. Okay, just testing your background knowledge. Okay, so whether you know certain ways to engage your audience or to make your presentation become more interesting. Okay. So I'm going to go through the answers later once every of you have finished. Okay, so just answer question 1 first, yeah? Answer question 1 first. Okay, so do not answer question 2 yet, yeah? Do not answer question 2 yet. Okay, you just do what we call this, do answer question 1 first. So and we are going to discuss that one. Okay, we're going to discuss question 1 first before moving on to our lesson for today.